Nanobabo Balen, welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, we are back sa Ajoya, Mexico, Pampanga and together with Ma'am Jessa. Ayan, so iikutan po natin ang lugar na to. Ma'am Jessa, please welcome our viewers po.
Hello, welcome po, and we're in Pampanga and welcome as well dito po sa Ajoya, Pampanga.
Yes, Ma'am Jessa, it's good to be back. Parang
yes, sir.
2 years ago we were here.
Yes, sir. Like during that time talaga, sir, it's like more on imagination tayo. And during that time talaga, as in super plain, like hindi pa visible lahat. And that's why I am very more excited for this video today kasi may mga maipapakita na tayo sa mga viewers natin.
Yes, super development po ang nakita ko dito. No?
Yes, sir. So ano po yung feeling?
Exactly. Actually, feeling is wow. Yan,
yes,
napawaw
diba,
ako, no? Napakaganda ng from our imagination and right now, it has come to reality.
Yes, sir. For that, meron na po kaming mga model units. So yung mga prospect clients natin or yung mga prospect buyers, you are welcome po to visit us here at Ajoya, Pampanga kasi may mga mapapakita na po kami sa inyo ng mga model units.
Yes.
And not just that. So may mga amenities na rin tayo dito. And also, may mga unit owners na rin na nakatira na dito sa Ajoya, Pampanga.
Congratulations sa kanila. Grabe naman.
Yes, yung mga homeowners natin, syempre ngayon na-enjoy nila yung Clubhouse.
Yes.
So, mamaya, pupuntahan po natin yun, yung Clubhouse natin.
Okay.
And aside from that, for launch na rin itong mga shop houses natin.
I think this year po ata yun.
Yes, ila-launch na po yun namin yung mga shop houses namin. So, for the Ajoya, Pampanga, it's a whole community talaga.
Exactly. Ma'am, not to mention, you have your very elegant main gate.
Yes,
no?
yes, sir. And
po.
that is, yung security natin dyan, it's 24/7. And it's very exclusive lang talaga sa mga unit owners natin dito sa Ajoya, Pampanga.
Right. Very exciting. Guys, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to if you wanna know more. And we're gonna tour you to this place. Samahan niyo po kami.
So this is our model village. So this is available for viewing sa mga prospect clients din natin. And one thing I love about Ajoya, Sir Louie, is the unique feature of Ajoya, Pampanga is that we offer options to our clients. Like we have different types of houses. Like for the single attached, we have the 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom. Kasi we understand that every one of us has different kind of needs.
Exactly.
When it comes to their living space. So that is one of the things that I love about here at Ajoya, Pampanga. Our clients have options to choose from.
Ma'am Jessa, tell us more about your 2-bedroom single attached unit.
Yes, so this is the 2-bedroom single attached unit, Sir Louie. It has a lot area of 88 square meter and a floor area of 59 square meter. This unit is ideal for small families or bachelors who want a comfortable living space. Welcome to our 3-bedroom single attached unit. This unit is perfect for families looking for dream home. And did you know, Sir Louie, that we just released new inventory of 3-bedroom and it is located near the entrance and amenities.
Wow, so to those of you who got excited to own this unit, I encourage you to invest as early as possible so you can have options to choose from.
This unit has a lot area of 88 square meter and a floor area of 72 square meter. Welcome to the 4-bedroom single attached unit. It has a lot area of 160 square meter and a floor area of 92 square meter. So, Sir Louie, this unit is ideal for families who have parents living with them as well. If you are a family looking for a bigger space inside and outside of your unit, this is the best unit for you. For the single detached unit, sir, it has a lot area of 141 square meter and a floor area of 170 square meter. And as you can see, Sir Louie, ang location po ng Ajoya, Pampanga single detached 5BR are located along the Spine Road na po. So these units also, we call them boulevard homes.
And napansin ko dito, ma'am, no? So, in-emphasize yung privacy natin. It doesn't have any unit na attached sa kanya.
Every spaces of your house, inside and out, talagang very spacious ang unit na to.
For what type of family po yung unit na?
Yes, this unit is good for like big families. Alam mo yung mga families who have parents living with them as well.
Yes.
Kasi we have a room sa baba ng unit na to. So actually, I recommend this unit for a bigger family who want a bigger space inside and outside of their unit.
Exactly.
And that's not all. At Ajoya Pampanga, green areas are generously spread across the development in the form of green belts and pocket parks. This thoughtful design makes the greenery more accessible to more homes within the community, allowing everyone to enjoy the beauty of nature right at their doorstep.
This place where we are in is called your shop house. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir. If you have business in mind, then this unit is the best for you. So for the shop house, it has a lot area of 65 square meter and the floor area of 108 square meter. And shop house, Sir Louis, has 3 floors. So the first floor, which is this one,
Yes.
this will be your commercial space.
Okay.
And the second and third floor are for residential use.
Nice one. So for those who are business-minded, I think this unit is fit for you.
If you've been searching for a property that combines both business and living space, then this might just be the perfect investment for you. With its unique blend of commercial space on the ground floor and the comfortable living area on the upper floors, the shop house offers a seamless integration of work and home life, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their investment.
Ma'am Jeza, so sa mga magiging homeowners po dito po sa Ajoya, ano po yung mga amenities available dito or may enjoy nila?
Yes, actually, Sir Louis, we are now here at the Ajoya Pampanga Clubhouse,
Yes.
where the fun never stops. Actually, I personally love this part of Ajoya Pampanga because this is a perfect place to create lasting memories with your loved ones and spend more quality time with them,
Yes.
whether they are just taking a dip at the pool or watching your kids play at the kids play area
Yes.
and shooting hoops on the court. You know,
Basketball.
every moment here just feels so special.
That is so amazing, Ma'am Jeza.
At Ajoya Pampanga, we also offer residential lots. As the real estate market continues to thrive, owning a piece of land in a well-planned community like Ajoya Pampanga can be a wise financial move. Whether you plan to build your dream home later on or simply hold on the property as an asset, investing in a residential lot here offers both security and growth potential.
Alright, so that concludes our tour dito po sa Ajoya, Mexico, Pampanga. Once again, thank you so much guys for being with us. Ma'am Jeza, thank you so much po.
Thank you so
I'm
much,
really
Sir
happy
Louie.
na nakita ko po yung update natin, development natin dito. And for those who are interested to contact you po, how can they contact you, ma'am?
Yes, thank you po sa mga viewers natin. Thank you for considering Ajoya Pampanga as your future home. I am here to assist you in every step of the way. And by the way, my name is Ajoya Pampanga, your senior property specialist at Ajoya Pampanga. So for those who are interested, feel free to message me at my Facebook page. It's Ajoya Pampanga by Ajoya Pampanga, or message me at this number. It's 0926-571-4898. Thank you, and I'm looking forward on assisting you here at Ajoya Pampanga.
There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Please share this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Until our next video.